Today's featured car of the day is a beauty, a 1965 Chevrolet Impala Supersport, upgraded with a 427 cubic inch small block V8 engine. And inside, interior wise, it's got the turquoise interior, which is in great shape. It's also been upgraded with four-wheel disc brakes and bigger wheels and tires, and was the last year for the three round taillights on each side for the Impala. Next year, 66, they went to the three square taillights in one-piece format. But this one, like I said, the interior was beautiful, with stock, nice with the brocade inserts in the seats, the vinyl interior. The turquoise contrasts the white very nicely. And being a super sport, it's got the 427 badge stuck on there. You couldn't get the 427 actually in a Impala until 1966. In 1965, you could get two different 396 engines, and one rated at 325 horse, and then the L78 was rated at 425 horsepower. And the Impala for 1965, that was the fourth generation for the Impala, which went from 1965 through 1970. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.